Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unblock user you unblock it on Google Chat in PC. So you can open the Google Chat apps or you can open the Gmail account and you can select settings and scroll down. You can find block user and block spaces. And to unblock the users, you can select the manage block users and directing to my account at google.com, and the users you block appear here, and you can click on the user that you want to unblock, but I don't have a user blocked. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.